some parade. So we have a ticket, and I think I'm not going to show you all the parade, and so we're going to start walking because it's hard to park here in Washington DC. So you're planning to come here, just arrive early at 7 o'clock before they start blocking the roads. Okay, so let's go.
I don't know, but okay, tell me, how many wins this year? Will there be many wins? Will it happen? Stop. Mr. Wheels, number one, come on now. Let's It's the movie. Regularly transport hospital patients from DC to Shriners Hospitals in Philly for treatment. Gymnastics, they perform at events nationally and internationally. The runner-up, Brandon Zoe Cardona Gonzalez. And let's see, Princess Anna Rose Lake from Hawaii is here.
Congratulations to all these ladies for all the achievements and being and won.
And like we were saying earlier, you saw Duncan.
Lifelong learners who are transformative leaders in the workforce, government, non-profit sectors, and beyond.
Runs on Duncan. Now with more than 150 members, they are one of the largest Model A clubs in the world.
I really wish that car horn still sounded like this.
Here comes our next level, flying high, the ANA float. The ANA plane is here to see. The ANA plane you see here is about to distribute all the support and the partnership between ANA and the National Cherry Blossom Festival. Two organizations which...
Look at the plane! Look at the plane! What?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here they are with their smash. You might recognize this song. Come on, come on! It's their
University.
Alright, let's welcome the DMV One-Wheel Riders and Diverse Community One-Wheel Enthusiasts. They get together regularly around DMV and they serve as passionate ambassadors for the short form community enjoying. One Wheel is a self-balancing electric board designed for work and commuter use. Now, in some instances, it qualifies as a personal electric assisted mobility device.
That little dog in the back. It's in regional competitions. The band program has been an integral part of the Chelsea community since the early 1960s.
Look at this Jeep, this Cherry Blossom Jeep. It's a limited 2020 Jeep Wrangler with a custom Cherry Blossom design vinyl wrap, owned by Megan.
It was pretty good. I liked it.
You like it? It's set enough though, right?
Yeah.
I think last year is better this year compared to this year.
Yeah.
Guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Here's Declan. How is it? What do you think about this?
So today I have a weekly too. And it's bleeding, but it's not gonna hurt.
How do you find the parade? How is it? How is it? Tell them.
It was so good.
And
I also saw some race cars and an old car.
You like the old car though?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we'll go. So we left the parade early. Last year is better, I think, because we are only given 4 hours. So parking in DC is so difficult. So we need to go back to our car. So we did not finish the parade.
what the name is. So I'm just gonna name it a giant pencil. Yeah. For the USA flags all over the pencil. The giant pencil.
Guys, it's not a giant pencil. He called it a giant pencil. But it's the Washington Monument. Oh my gosh. It's cold. First time in National Gallery of Art here in DC. So first time. It's nice. So something that I never went to. It so happened that I passed here. So this is a nice area for family actually. Nice fountain. It's not a picture, it's a video. Okay guys, we're leaving Washington DC now. We're going back to Maryland. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to push the notification bell. So if you happen to come in the DC in April, there is a lot of to see. Okay, thank you. Till next time again.